Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can share a Google Meet link on Google Classroom. Right now Google Meet has been made free, so you can share directly a Google Meet link as a video conferencing platform directly to your Google Classroom. So I can create here new meeting. I will create a new meeting. Here I'm using a mobile phone. So a link will be created. As you can see here, the link has already been generated, so I can share. I can click here, share. So you can share on different platforms, on Twitter, on Instagram, and so forth. But because I want to share to my classroom, I'll choose a classroom. So you can share as an assignment, but because I want to make it as an announcement, so I will click here, make an announcement. So here I write maybe join the live meeting, maybe live meeting tomorrow. Then I can decide whether to schedule this meeting or to post it instantly. Now, because I want to post it instantly, I can just click here post. But if I want to schedule it maybe to be seen by the students tomorrow or the next week or whatever, I can schedule it. But right now I've logged in as a student. I've signed in as a student. So let us check how the students are going to see this link. So if they click this link, as you can see here, join the live meeting tomorrow. So you can see here there is an attachment which shows Google Meet logo here. So once they click that, they'll join the meeting direct. So they'll click that link. You can see